Vacuum.
That's not your dock. You can't force it to fit.
I got my mama fancy robot vacuum, but now I'm regretting it.
Oh my god.
Or someone to come clean your house, and this is the 4th time I've had to get up from my desk to come help her.
你动动不行啊！你这儿出不来，不会往后退啊？